What's up YouTube? MX Dude here. So we just started the rebuild of my '05 limited edition Banshee. Oh yeah, so I already went ahead and installed the A-arm. Those are American Star A-arm. Just got them powder coated. Brand new ball joint. Brand new bushings. Yeah, actually I rebuilt the shock. Well, rebuild. I cleaned the shock and repowder coated the spring. It looked pretty freaking good if you ask me. Yeah. Just waiting on my top mount. I'm missing one of the top mount, so yeah, should be here soon. Anyway, I already installed the radiator bracket, the steering stem, brand new fucking bracket, you know. Engine mount, got them in. Only waiting on the damper or whatever they're called, the longer piece that go here. I do have a polish linkage. The swing arm is here. I'm only waiting on the bearing. They should be here tomorrow or the day after. I got a nice billet bearing carrier. Oh yeah, that's gonna look sweet. That bike's gonna look really good. So those are the front fenders. Those are the rear fenders. Big fan of non-cut fenders. Factory fenders are for, yeah, I really like OEM fenders. I don't like when they're cut. Yeah. So should take about a week or so to fully rebuild the bike. I'm still waiting on the wheels, top end, and that's about it. All the other parts are here and in the house. So anyway, I'll be back. All right, so here's a couple new parts. That's used, but those are V-Force 3. Yeah, good shit. You got fuel line, front and rear brake pad, Pro Tapper clutch lever, Motion Pro clutch cable. Those are the plug for the handlebars. TM case saver. We got a nice Texas Banshee wiring harness. All of my Banshees are running Texas Banshee wiring harness. Good quality, good shit. Got a Moose Racing chain guide. Brand new sprockets. Brand new seat cover. Got a brand new skid plate for the swing arm. Frog skin for the airbox cover. Airbox lid, my bad. Most of the Banshee don't like to run with the freaking airbox lid. So what I do, I cut a nice rectangle. Then I slap the frog skin on it. So yeah, pretty good. So I got the block off plate for the crankcase vent. Bunch of miscellaneous OEM parts. Acorn nut. We got exhaust springs. Brass washers for the top end. Yeah, we got a bunch of parts for the bike. Yeah, it should be a nice bike when I'm done with it, that's for sure. I really like the powder coat. So much better than paint. Anyway, I will get back to you as soon as I do a bit of progress. Bye bye. Alright, so did a bit of progress. Got the two front hubs. The brakes. I just put the throttle on. Brake master. Clutch lever. Kill switch. Grab bar. Master cylinder. Rear galloper. Yep, coming along well. Oh, rear brake switch. Yes, sir. Anyway, I'll get back to you in a few minutes. I did receive a few parts. I got the rebuild kit for the swing arm, chain guide slider, the chain, the top end. did do a bit more progress. As you guys can see, headlights are on, tail light is on. Oh, I do have a nice brand new extended axle for it. It looks sweet. So yeah, coming along well. Engine is here. I should be able to do the top end today. I just painted the cylinders. Yeah, right there. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and install the rebuild kit on the swing arm. Yeah, I already went ahead and removed the old bearings and make the job a whole lot easier. So yeah, I'll get back to you shortly. Swing arm is rebuild. I do have a brand new bolt too. I'm about to slap that sucker on. Yep. I did rebuild that, I'm not sure you'd call it, a dog bone, wishbone, I'm not sure. Anyway, rebuild it. Alright, so I think that's gonna be it for part 1. Axle is on, swing arm is on, shock is on, carrier is on, rear brake is installed too. I just rebled the brake. Yeah, coming along pretty well. So next step, I'm gonna redo the top end. Yeah. I just got the head painted, waiting for them to dry a bit. Piston are there, gaskets are there. So yeah. Oh, and I did put some brand new rear brake pads. Yep. So anyway, next video I'll be rebuilding top end on it, installing the engine in a bike, and yeah, I repaint the shifter, bought the brand new rubber. Fucking rubber is like $7 Canadian. Expensive, but it's well worth it. Yeah. So next video I will rebuild the engine. I will install the engine. I will need to rebuild the carb too. Carb are actually in that crate right here. Oh, I did do a video on that one too. How to mod your airbox. Anyway, carbs are in there. Anyway, that's about it. See you in part 2. Peace out.